Good morning, all. Welcome to the course on industrial management. And this course is for fifth semester mechanical engineering Polytechnic students. My name is Satish and working as a lecturer in Government Polytechnic Bagalkot under the Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today's topic is the basics of management. This is unit 1 for your syllabus, and in today's lecture we are going to cover the definition of management and what do you mean by management, and difference between manager and management, and definition of administration, what is the function of administration, what is going to be done, difference between management and administration, and Henry Fayol's principles of management. So Henry Fayol is one of the scientists who proposed the theory of management. He proposed 14 principles. He proposed 14 principles. He proposed 14 principles. Those principles we are going to study in the today's class. Where the management is required? Management is required everywhere. Where a group of people are working, there the management is required. That means a group of people working for an objective that is framed by the administration. A group of people working means that is called as an organization. That organization working for a common objective, that is called as what? Organization. And there to manage those people we require a management. So for example, group of people where they are working, it's working in mechanical industries. If you go over there, n number of employees are there, their jobs are different. That means we want to direct them, we want to control them, because they are doing their job, but the objective is different. So the object of the organization is same for all the people. So to control them, we require a management. So in IT industries, there are thousands of people are working. Their common objective is there for the organization is same only, but the job what they are doing is different. To control them, to guide them, so we require a management. There are different types of workers are available. There are different types of jobs are available. We want to recruit them. We want to recruit employees. For that we require management. To get the work done by the people, we require a management. In the college, there are thousands of people, there are thousands of students are there. We want to manage them. There are n number of problems are going to arise day by day. We want to control them. We want to issue some orders for them. For all those things, we require a management. So what is the difference between a management and a manager? So groups working together for common objective. Groups working together for common objective is called as what? Organization. So if a organization means what? General manager, under general manager there will be so in a company there will be a chairman. So under chairman there will be a managing director, executive director, and these are called as what? Top level management. These are called as what? Top level management. And executive director under, there are different types of managers: commercial manager, purchase manager, general manager for quality, and general manager for production, chief manager for design and development, marketing manager, technical manager, HR manager. So these are different departments are available in a company. For all departments, there are different types of different managers are going to be recruited. and these are called as what? Middle level management. These are called middle level management, and these are called as top level management, or it's also called as high level management. So if you come over here, under manager purchase and sales, again purchase officer will be there, stores in charge will be there, so quality manager will become under that, manager productions, every different types of, finally assistants will exist. And still if you go for the production, under this production there will be workers, under productions there will be workers. All this totally we are going to call it as what? Organization. All this we are going to totally call it as what? Organization. Organization includes high level management, middle level management, and workers are called as what? Low level management. Not sorry, workers, and the supervisors, foremen, these are called as what? Low level management. So this is called as what? Organization structure. And in organization structure, in top level management, the person who are sitting in the top level, they are going to call it as the administrators. They are going to call it as the administrators. And middle level management people are called as what? Managers. And these are responsible for managing the production activity or the organizational activity for the achievement of the objective of the organization. And low level management, those are called as what? Foreman, supervisors. These are responsible for supervisors, foremen and supervisors. These are responsible for production improvement, efficiency, work done. All these responsibility lies under foremen and supervisors. So always administration stands above the management. Management is an executive function. Administration is an policy formulation function. That means that they are going to frame the laws. Administrators frame the laws. They are going to direct it to the management or the managers. So manager will formulate the policies, execute the policies. So finally, management means is a process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected objectives. So for management, a manager should have technical knowledge. A manager should have technical knowledge and how to deal with the human beings. These two are the important qualities should be have for the manager to manage the human beings for the accomplishment of objectives. So management is a process. It includes planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. All these activities comes under management. So who are called the top level managements? So the chief executive officer, CEO, chief marketing officer, chief sales officer, chief technology officer, president, managing director. These are called as what? High level management. These are called high level management people. Or we are going to call it as what? High level management people. And they are responsible for policy formulation. Policy formulation. marketing manager, purchase head, sales manager, operation manager, branch manager, finance manager. These are called middle level management. These are called middle level management. Middle level management. So in middle level managers, marketing manager will come, purchase head will come, sales manager, branch manager, finance manager, operation manager. So there are for every department there will be one manager in middle level management it will come. And these managers are responsible for the managing the activities that are running in the organizations. They are going to issue orders. They are going to plan as per the objectives that are framed by the top level executives. So low level management. There comes a supervisor, foreman, clerk, junior managers, inspectors. These low level managers are directly interaction with the employees. So nowhere top level management and middle level management come into the picture or interact with the employees. Only the low level management, supervisors, foremen, clerk, junior managers, inspectors, they are going to interact with the employees to get the work done as per the policies framed by the top level management, as per the instructions given by the managers. Supervisors are going to get the work done by the employees. So top level management, what they are going to do? So they are a brain of management, control over all the organizations. Their main aim is they are going to frame the policies. They are going to frame the laws. Laws are going to be framed for achieving the objectives. Imagine there is a one Annabhagya Yojana will be launched by the government. So that scheme is launched by the government. We want to provide food for needy people. For that kind, the administrative officers, IAS officers who are sitting at the top level, they are going to frame the policies. That is policy formulation. Their job is what? Policy formulation. How we want to achieve the objective. ಅನ್ನಭಾಗ್ಯ ಯೋಜನೆನ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಯರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ತರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ತರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನೂನನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಕಾನೂನನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ತರಬೇಕು, ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ತರಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ at the top level. They are going to frame the policies. They are responsible for framing the policies. At the same time, they are going to watch whether they are following the rules and regulations as per the framed policies. So who are going to do that one? In the industries, there may be the president, vice president, board of directors. These are the persons responsible for the formulation of the policies. These policies are going to be issued to the middle level management. Middle level management, these are the rules and regulations are there, and they are going to give the time bound for the completion of the project. Everything are going to be given by the top level management. So in middle level management, they are going to make some rules and regulations. How we want to achieve this one? What are the orders should be issued for the employees? Which work should be done for priority? All these activities, that is planning, organizing, and to get the work done, we want to recruit some more people because based upon the skills requirement. So for the completion of the project, they required people, employees. They are going to recruit the employees, staffing. They are going to direct it and control it. All this done by middle level management people. They are managers. In top level, only law making, policy formulations. They are decision makers. Policy formulation makers. Policy formulation is different, and policy implementation is different. Middle level people implement the policies. They are going to implement the policy. And top level, they are going to formulate the policy. Formulate the policy, and middle level people implement the policy. So lower level people, here there comes under first line management and maybe FDA in government organization. If you go for the industry, it is foreman, supervisors. All these comes under lower level management. These FDA, so foreman, supervisors are directly in contact with the employees or workers. You can call it as workers. They are directly in contact with the workers. Workers, they are going to produce the products based upon the guidelines given by the supervisor or foreman or FDA, who are going to give the guidelines for the workers. Based upon that guidelines, workers are going to work. So in everywhere, the flow will be there from top level to middle level to lower level. Nowhere top level people are going to interact with the lower level people. Only they are going to communicate with the middle level people. So to communicate generally for managers, those who are interacting with the workers, to get the work done, they should have the technical knowledge and skills. In top level management, what are the skills are required? That is also an important thing for top level management as well as a lower level management as well as a middle level management. If you come over here, just you can observe the sketch that I have put over here. So for top level, percentage of job in the y-axis and managerial skills required in the x-axis. This is a low level management, and this is a middle level management, and this is a high level management. So you can observe here, 0 to 100, that is a percentage of a job. There are three types of skills are required. One is conceptual, human relations, and technical skills. So for low level management people, what is highest? You compare this one. For low level management people, technical skills should be more, and conceptual skills will be less. Are you getting? Here, this is a low level management. Here, what is the skill is required? Technical skill is more for these people, and high coming over here, that means conceptual skills are less. For middle level management people, we require human relationships as well as technical skills. You can observe the graph. So all are in a equal size. So that means technical skills as well as human relation skills, both are required for middle level management. If you come for the top level management, the technical skills required are percentage of job what they are going to done, there are less. That means the technical skill is very less for them, but conceptual skills are more. So what do you mean by conceptual skills? Conceptual skills means what? That is decision making, very important skill that required for the administrators. Who should be posted for which work, assignment of work, selecting a right person for a right work is also an important thing that is decided by the top level management. Because if the project is assigned for a inefficient person, timely the project is not going to be completed. Accurately the project is not going to be completed. So top level management should have decision making skills and assignment of work for right people, assignment of work for right person. That is also one of the important thing that is required. For middle level management, we require for middle level management we require communication skills, communication skills we require, and we require motivating skills to get the job work done by the workers, motivating skills, and we require leadership skills, cooperation. All these skills are required by middle level management. For technical skills, for lower level management, for production purpose, handling the methods. Here what we are going to handle? We are going to handle the jobs, handling the jobs. Techniques. So all these skills are required for low level. So in brief, we can define administration. It is the process of determination of objectives. It is the process of determination of objectives policy formulation for achieving the objective or goal aim. So management is an executive function. So come over here, management is an executive function which is mainly concerned with the carrying out the policies laid down by the administration. Now let us move for the comparison between management and administration. So we have come to know that one management is a process, administration is also a process. So administration frame the policies, management implement the policies. Administration is a decisive making policies, management is an executive work. Management is an executive work, administration is an decisive work. We'll see the comparison between management and administration. So management meaning an organized way of managing people and things of a business organization is called the management. So in the process of administration, the process of administration and organization a group of people known as administration. Authority. So management comes in the middle and lower level as we have seen, and administration is done by top level people. And role for management is executive, and administration is a decisive maker, decision making policy, decision making capacity to whom we are going to have, that is administrative people. That means the top level people who are sitting in the management, they have the decision making capacity. In the middle level management, they are executives. And management is concerned about policy implementation. Management is concerned about what? Policy implementation. And administration is concerned about policy formulation. Administration is concerned about what? Policy formulation. And this is concerned about policy implementation. So always management works under administration, but administration has full control over all the activities. That means, for example, cabinet ministers, they are administrators. They have full control on all the governmental activities. And the employees who are working under the government, they are working under the administration. That means we are working under the government. Management decides who will do the work and how it will be done. But administration, what should be done and when should be done. ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಲಾಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ administration. So if you come over, decision ಆಯ್ತು, next comes work. Putting policies and plans into action. Putting policies and plans into action. Formulation of plans, framing policies, and setting objectives. So function, very important thing. The function is what? This is an management function is what? Executive and governing. But administrative function is legislative and determinative. Legislative ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಮಾಡುವುದು, ಕಾನೂನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಟಿವ್. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿವ್, ನಿರ್ಣಯಾತ್ಮಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರೋದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಟಾಪ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಯಿತು ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್? The top level management people are responsible for that one. Nobody will going to be punish the low level management people. No, sorry, not punishment, responsible. We are going to not take the responsible for the low level management people. We are going to take the responsibility for the top level. If the project fails, who is responsible? Top level management people are responsible because they are going to make the policies, and middle level people are going to implement the policies. So these are the functions, difference between management and administration.